Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Yasin again. So today I made 160 bucks in the first hour of the stock market just sitting here in my chair. This is why I learned to trade. This is why I love to trade. So let me walk you through what happened today and how I made $160 off of the one trade. So let's see. I made 166 bucks today, as you can see right here. Let's see. The SPY chart. This was SPY today. Started at 396.48. The high of the day was 397, and then the low of the day was 393. And let me show you exactly how we charted it and knew what it was going to do, and it was going to go down today. So let me show you guys that. I paper handed a bit, but we knew exactly what it was going to do, so let me show you guys. So here on FinViz, this is a great website to chart and look at charts and analyze patterns, by the way. So we are on FinViz. Let's see how we knew it was going to be a low day today and how we caught that, how we caught the low of the day. So let's go here. Let's go to draw a line, right? Line. Okay. So from here, the top right here, I like to draw my line. So right there, right? So from the top here, I just drew it to where the next highest point was. Okay. So we get another line now. From the low, we do the same thing. Try to line it up as close as you can. So there we go. Boom. Okay. We got the high right here. We got the lows right here, all charted out. So now let's find the support and resistance. So let's see. Support seems to the supply zone seems to be right here. Oops, forgot to pick the line. So the supply zone, what I'm looking for is all these candlesticks. If you see right here, when I put my mouse, it's almost like a straight line right here. Touches it here, boom. Touches it here, boom. Touches it here, touches it here, here. So that's obviously a very strong supply zone, right? So let's chart that out. Let's draw our line. Boom, right? So that is the top of our supply zone. Let's get our line again. Now let's identify the support. Where does it bounce off of all the time? So let's see. It seems like the support is right here. You see? It bounces off of here, right in the middle. Boom. Perfect. So the lines, let me show you guys again how I analyze the charts. So from the top of this candlestick, the highs basically drew a line to the next highs, and then the next candle line was from the lows, drew the bottom of the support, the top of the support, okay? And then here we have the support and the supply zone, basically the demand zone, right? So let's see. I believe this last candlestick was today. So each one of these candlesticks represents one day. So according to this chart, we already knew that it was going to go down. And it was so easy because all we did was find the top of the supply zone, the bottom of the supply zone, draw our triangles as you see, and then look what happened today. The last candlestick, boom, it exactly touched the bottom of my support line to the T. So what I can expect tomorrow is probably a bounce up. So it's at the 395 level actually right now. Right here. Right around here somewhere. So it's right around here. As you can see, it has room to move. So basically, it's going to bounce around the supply zone until it figures out a direction. So as you see, we're coming to the end here. So what we have to look out for, is it going to break, let's see, is it going to break out of the supply zone up, or is it going to break down into out of the supply zone? So I would really watch SPY. I think we have FOMC tomorrow. So with FOMC, this is probably going to pick the direction, so we have to be really careful. And even though this is charted out, we cannot be biased going into the FOMC tomorrow. But basically, these are the key levels, what I will be watching. So let me see. Key level 393, 394 area is the bottom, and the top is 402. Basically, same as today. If you look at the chart, exactly. Today, the top 397. 397 area, and the low was 393 area. So if we go back to the chart, we already knew that. It's probably off a little bit, but if we go to this candlestick, 401 to 393 area. So yeah, that's how we knew it was going to be a down day, and we caught that move perfectly. Oops, I moved the line. So yeah, that is basically how to analyze the charts. I just wanted to show you guys how I analyze the charts, what key levels I look for basically, and then throughout the day I bounce it. So if it comes to my key levels, those are my A+ setups. Those are where I will take the trades. I don't really like to trade in between until it gets to one of these key levels that I like. So let's see. Today is November 29th. Let's go to the line. As you see, down day. On the chart, it is looking undersold, but I will not be biased. My bias is it's still going to go down, but with the market makers, you can't be biased. So we will see what happens tomorrow. But yeah, that's how we basically knew what it was going to do today. So if you like my video on how I find my key levels, please like and subscribe. It would help me out tremendously. Thank you, and let's all learn together and make money together.